Wrestling a toddler into a car seat in a cramped parking garage should be an Olympic sport. You are sweating, your back is screaming, and the kid is doing that rigid plank move to defy physics. This is exactly where a rotating seat changes the entire narrative. You just pull a handle, and the whole seat spins toward you. It faces the open door like it is inviting the child in. No more awkward leaning or hitting your head on the car roof frame. It is a total game changer for your posture and your sanity. Once they are buckled in, you spin them back into place with a satisfying click. That click is your best friend because it confirms everything is locked and ready for the road. This specific seat handles the tiny infants starting at 4 pounds all the way up to 65 pounds for the older kids. Safety experts always say keep them rear facing as long as you can. It is just safer for their neck and spine during a sudden stop or a collision. This seat makes that easy to stick to because the transition as they grow is seamless. When it is finally time to flip them forward, you do not need to buy a whole new piece of gear. The installation process uses some very clever locking technology that makes things incredibly simple. It takes the frustration out of the equation. You can use the seatbelt or the latch system provided by your vehicle. Either way, you get a secure fit in under a minute. There is even a little level indicator on the side of the base. It tells you if the recline angle is correct for your specific vehicle seat. If the bubble is in the right spot, you are good to go. The harness is another huge win for busy mornings. Usually, you have to unthread the straps and fish them through tiny holes to move them up as the kid grows. That is a nightmare. Not here. The headrest and harness move together in one motion. You just pull it up, and it locks into one of 10 different height spots. It means the straps are always at the right level for their shoulders without any extra work. For the kids, it is all about the soft padding and the dual cup holders. They get 2 spots for snacks or drinks, which keeps them happy on long hauls. For the parents, the fabric covers are machine washable. You just use cold water on a delicate cycle and let them air dry. Do not put the actual straps in the machine though. Just wipe those down with a damp cloth and mild soap. It even has these little pockets to hold the metal harness buckles out of the way while you are loading the kid in. No more digging for straps under a grumpy toddler who is sitting on them. There are 4 different recline positions too. This helps with the install and keeps their head from flopping forward when they fall asleep. This equipment is built for the reality of messy, busy, everyday life. It is about making those 5 minutes before you drive away much less stressful. If you want a seat that grows with your family and saves your back, this is a serious contender for your daily driver. It feels sturdy and well engineered. The materials are soft but seem like they can handle some serious spills over the years. When you hear that final click and see that the level indicator is perfect, it gives you that peace of mind every parent is looking for before hitting the highway. It really simplifies the morning routine in a way that pays for itself in less stress and fewer headaches.